Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a black and white photo shoot using Gemini, using AI. So select your image. I'm just going to drop files here and make sure you select the create images selection. Add in this prompt. I will put it in the description box down below. Obviously, we're going to change this of a young woman wearing a, let's do just like a black dress. Oh my gosh, I have to like change everything. Sure, I think that's it. And then you're just going to press submit. Obviously, you're going to change that based on the photo that you are uploading. You can also just leave the outfit to the kind of like one you're already wearing, I guess. Just going to wait for this to generate. A little bit of bottle ASMR. Can you hear this? Okay, that's it. And this is what the photo should look like at the end. Super cool. Again, I will put it in the description box down below, like the prompt. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.